Welcome to Arithmetic Operations in Python. Python supports a wide range of arithmetic operations that you can use to perform calculations. Here are the basic arithmetic operations in Python. You can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and a few others you may not be familiar with, maybe modulus. And modulus is an operator that you can use to see whether or not there's a remainder. And if there is, it's going to output the remainder. So like in division, when you're dividing, say if you're dividing 5 into 17, you know, 5 is only divisible by 5. So it would be probably the closest 15, and then what would be left over would be 2. So it would output 2. Next, we would have floor division. Floor division basically just rounds down to the whole number if there's like a decimal. So for instance, if you're dividing two numbers and you get 3.3333, it's just gonna round down and go to 3. So that's basically what it would do. Next is exponents. And exponents, of course, you know what exponents are. When you multiply a number by whatever power is specified. So, and it's represented by two stars or asterisks, what it look like. One of these is usually used for multiplication. So you would just use 2 and then the number on the side, the number on the right side. But I'm going to demonstrate each one. So the first one I'm going to demonstrate is addition. So I'm going to type in print 36, and then I'm going to type the plus operator plus 20. I'm going to save. And then the name of my file is arithmetic operations.py. So I'm going to run Python 3 command in the terminal. And I've already ran this command already, so I'm just going to run it by pressing enter. And I press the up button in order to go, because what the terminal does, it kind of saves a history of the different commands that you've ran in the terminal. So I just press up or down just to go back and forth between histories. So I'm going to press enter, and you see the output is 56. That's basically how you do addition. Next, I'm going to demonstrate subtraction, which is pretty much not much difference besides using the minus operator. So I'm going to subtract 36. I'm going to take 36 and subtract 20 from it. And then I'm going to rerun that command again. And then I get 16. Pretty straightforward. Next, I'm going to do multiplication. And then I'm going to take the number 12, multiply that by 2. And I should get 24 with that. There we go down here. So we had print 36 plus 20, 56, 36 minus 20, 16. Now I've done the multiplication, 12 times 2, 24. Next, I'm going to do division. You're kind of seeing the flow now of the different arithmetic operators. So next, I'm going to do division. And this should come out to be 6. And it came out as a decimal, 6.0, which I'll show you in the future of how to fix that. Next is modulus, the modulus operator, which is like the percentage operator. So basically what I'm going to do is type out print, and I'm going to type the number 12, and then I'm going to hit the shift and number 5 key, and the number 5 key has the modulus operator, and then I hit it, you get it, and then I'm going to do 5. So, and I've told you what modulus is, but I'm going to repeat it again. So modulus is basically the remainder that comes from when you're dividing two numbers that are not like divisible. For instance, 12 and 5. 12 divided by 5. So, 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. That's the closest. If you go over, it'll go over. So 10 is the closest. So what should be left over to make 12 is 2. So if I run it, I should get 2. There we go. Down here, I got 2. Next, I'm going to do floor division. So I'm going to type out print. And this is floor division is an operator that you can use to round down. If you get like a decimal number like 3.333 and it keeps repeating over and over and over again, um, this will just round down. So what I'm gonna do is do 21, floor division 4. So if I do it on my calculator on my phone, I'm gonna do it really quick. 21 divided by 4, I get 5.25. So it should round down to 5. So that's what I should get. So I'm gonna run it and then I should get 5. And if you see 5 down here, that's what I get. Next, I'm going to do exponents. So I'm just gonna type out print again. And then I'm going to do 3, the symbol for multiplication twice, and the number 3 again. Now, this is basically saying 3 to the third power. So 3 to the third power, if you think about it, 3 times 3 times 3. It's 3 to the third power, right? So 3 times 3 is what? 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So that's 3. So if I run the command, I should get 27. There we go. And that's pretty much it. And this is how you can do arithmetic operations using the print command in Python. It's pretty basic, but you'll see in the future, these things can prove to be powerful when used for certain use cases. See you in the next video.